Hi, third grade. Today we're going to estimate and measure liquid volume in liters and milliliters using the vertical number line. When I look at this beaker, I see a vertical number line. Usually we're used to number lines going from left to right, like this. And we drew number lines to help us solve time, and when we counted by 5, the interval 5 for time. But when I look at this beaker, I see a number line. I just see it going straight up. Oops. I see it going straight up like that, from 1 to 6. So that would be considered a vertical number line. And I can easily answer the question of how much liquid is in each container by looking at container 1 and seeing that the water stops right at 5 liters. So my answer would be labeled 5 liters. That was a really easy question. Let's look at one a little bit more difficult. So the second problem we're looking at says estimate the amount of liquid in each container to the nearest liter. So let's annotate that. Estimate. I'm not going to have the exact answer. The amount of liquid in each container to the nearest liter, or to the nearest whole number. When I look at this water in this beaker, I see that it's in between 1 and 2. It's not directly on 1 liter and it's not directly on 2 liters, but it's closer to 2 liters than it is to 1 liter. Ends right there. It's closer to 2 liters. I can see that if I need to estimate to the nearest liter, this is closest to 2 liters. So I'm going to round up to 2 liters. So when you look at a picture like this, you're going to round up or down to wherever the water is closest to, whatever whole number they're asking you to round to. Now, we also can see a vertical number line over to the right. Here it is right here. This big number line right here. That is a vertical number line. It's going up and down, so that would be considered vertical. It's the same exact thing that we've been doing, it's just up and down. I can use this vertical number line to help me answer questions, but also to plot points. There's those 2 vocabulary words I know how to do now. I know how to plot a point on the number line. So let's read this question. Kristen is comparing the capacity of gas tanks in different size cars. Use the chart below to answer the questions. So I see size of car and capacity in liters. Large, medium, small. And then the capacity in liters is 74 liters, 57 liters, 42 liters. Label the number line to show the capacity of each gas tank. The medium car has been done for you. So I need to label the number line to show the capacity of each gas tank. The medium one, which is 57 liters, is right here. They already labeled it 57 liters and they wrote medium. So I'm going to go ahead and plot large and small. The large is 74 liters. So if I needed to plot that on my number line, I'd find 70, which is right here, and then I would count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 74 right there. And I'm going to write large. I'm trying to make that more of a point. There you go. 74. And I know that 74 comes directly before 75, which is why I have a bigger, longer tick mark right above it. And now medium has been done for me. It says it right in the directions. The medium car has been done for you. There it is. Small. Small is 42 liters. Here's 40. So I'm going to count 2 more liters. 41, 42. So I'm going to plot a point at 42 liters. And I'm going to label that small. I can now use this vertical number line and the points that I plotted to help me answer questions. Remember, when you answer word question, use strategies like annotating pulling out, circling the key information or the important words or numbers in that problem to help you solve it. We are now going to move on to the problem set. So in your group, you and your partners are going to be completing the problem set together. I will be around to listen to your conversations. Good luck.